Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Binance to Visa card transfers. It's important to know that the direct Binance-issued Visa card services have been discontinued in many European regions. However, you can still withdraw fiat currency from your Binance account to your personal Visa debit or credit card. We'll guide you through the current process and what to expect, ensuring you can move your funds effectively and securely. When withdrawing funds to your Visa card, you'll typically encounter a transaction fee, which can range from 1 to 2% of the amount. The minimum withdrawal usually begins at €10. Your daily withdrawal limits are determined by your account's verification level, potentially ranging from $50,000 to $2 million for verified users. Always check the specific fees and limits applicable to your region and card type before initiating a transfer. For instant card withdrawals, funds can often reach your Visa card within 5 minutes, though in some cases, it might take up to 24 hours. Binance prioritizes security, utilizing Know Your Customer verification and two-factor authentication to protect your assets. It's crucial to ensure your Visa card supports Visa Fast Funds for the quickest processing. Always double-check all details and be mindful of your bank's policies regarding cryptocurrency-related transfers. Before proceeding, confirm your Visa card is enabled for Visa Fast Funds to ensure rapid transfers. If you are withdrawing a different currency than your card's native currency, be prepared for potential foreign transaction fees from your bank. Always review all withdrawal details, including the amount, fees, and recipient card information, carefully before confirming. This helps prevent errors and ensures a smooth, secure transfer of your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.